Hey, Matt from ViewfinderMastery here. Just wanted to drop you a line and share some fun shots from our Dutch angle photo challenge that our awesome members worked on in January. For many of our members, the Dutch angle approach was a new one, and it led to some really interesting shots which they uploaded for critique. Here's a few highlights from that feedback that Jesse and I just recently shared with the group.
You look at this photo and you feel this sense of it telling a story.
There's like a complexity to it and a simplicity to it that I find really cool.
I love the sort of color and detail of the buildings in this.
Could even be stronger, perhaps, if that line comes like emanating right out of the corner of the shot.
It's kind of abstracted a bit, like it sort of throws off your balance of like how you feel like things should look.
In German, that means museum for design. I think Nicole's actually playing really nicely with irony in this shot. Can we call that the Dutch tilt cropping tool?
The Dutch ratio.
So congratulations to our members who participated in January's Dutch Angle Challenge. We can't wait to see where February's challenge, Capturing Calm, takes you. Wait a second. What? You're not a member yet? Head over to ViewfinderMastery.com and become a member to start leveling up your photography skills today. We deliver fun new high-quality lessons every month, and we give you the constructive feedback and the support that you need to take your photography further. So don't delay, head over to ViewfinderMastery.com to become a member today, and we look forward to seeing you inside.